Wegachalor Wegachamot. Today, let us learn common Dinka or Thoŋjäŋ verbs. Common verbs in Dinka language. The verb number 1, chat. Chat. Chat mean to walk. Chat, to walk. Verb number 2, cat. Cat. Cat mean to run. To run. Verb number 3, jam. Jam. Jam mean to talk. To talk. Verb number 4, luel. Luel. Luel mean to speak. To speak. That mean luel. Verb number 5, diao. Diao. Diao mean to cry. To cry. To cry mean diao. Verb number 6, doll. Doll. Doll mean to laugh. To laugh. Number 7, nyuch. Nyuch. Nyuch mean to sit. To sit down. Benyuch. That is the verb to sit. Verb number 8, mol. Mol. Mol mean to crawl. To crawl. Crawling. Mean mol. Maybe mol. The baby is crawling. Number 9, nin. Nin. Nin mean to sleep. To sleep. To sleep. Number 10, guard. Guard. Guard mean to write. To write. To write something. Bagot. Number 11, queen. Queen. Queen mean to read. To read. Queen. Achator queen. Read the book. He read the book. Number 12, die. Die. Die mean to look. To look. Look at something. Die. And die in, I'm looking at you. Die. Number 13, lad. Lad. Lad mean is the verb to insult. To abuse someone. Lad. Gwina lad. Why do you insult me? Or why do you abuse me? Number 14, chol. Chol. Chol mean to call. To call. To call something or to call in the phone. To call someone. Chol. Verb call. Chol. To call. Number 15, law. Law. Law or lor is the verb to go. To go. Number 16, loy. Loy. Loy mean to do. To do something. Loy. Number 17, la pat. 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 Pat mean cooking. Cooking. 18, tal. Tal. Tal mean to cook. It's the verb to cook. Tal, to cook. 19, cham. Cham. Cham mean to eat. To eat means cham. Number 20. Liek. Liek. Liek mean to swallow. To swallow something. Met chikun dog liek. Met a chikun liek. Met a chidod liek. Met a chiliad liek. So to swallow something. Liek. That is the verb liek. To swallow. Number 21. Tor. Tor. Tor mean to fight. To fight. It means fighting. Tor. Number 22. Number 22. Lor. Lor. La o or. Lor. Lor mean to welcome. To welcome something. To welcome someone. To welcome your friend. It means lor. Incha lor. I welcome you. Ogalamad lor. We are going to welcome my friend. That is the verb to welcome. 23. Weak. Weak or weak. Weak mean to pale down. To pale down. Weak. To pale down. For example, what a weak. What a weak pin. What a weak mean the house has fallen down. That's what a weak. Number 25. Nyar. Nyar. Na e-r-r. Nyar. Nyar mean is the verb to love or to like. To like or to love. Nyar. Balagran insan nyar mean I like you or I love you. Inyar or balag your girlfriend or your wife or your husband. Inyar. I love you or I like you. Number 26. Man. Man. Man mean to hate. To hate someone is the opposite of nyar. To hate someone. Inman. I hate you. Inman. I hate you. I hate you mean Inman in Dinka. It's the opposite of nyar. It's the opposite of love. So you love someone, then you hate that someone. It's called man. Number 27. Gur. Gur mean to grind. Grinding the sorghum. Barab gur. Number 28. Gum. Gum. Gum mean to accept. To accept. To accept something. To accept the offer. Tagam buglo. Suk. Have you accepted to go to the market? Jam. Jai. Number 29. Jai. Jai mean to refuse. Refuse. That is the verb jai. Number 30. Nyot. Nyot. Nya u ot. Nyot mean to dream. To dream. And a chinyot wanako. And a chinyot wanako. I dreamed last night. And a chinyot. I dream. Nyot mean to dream. Number 31. What nga u a at. What mean to snore. Snoring. When you are sleeping, you snore a lot. So taninin in what apay. In what. So what mean to snore. 32. Pioch. Pioch mean to teach. To teach. By William Majak. Please follow, like, share for more videos. More videos are coming. More Dinka videos are coming. Nyali kawek. Nyali buwek doj kuyane ya. Sorry, I went for a short vacation, so and key videos are kaben loy. And from today, I will be making videos. And those who are willing to learn Dinka language with us, please follow this channel so that we learn Dinka language together. I really appreciate you. Share the videos to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Nyali kawe kuyania. These are the verbs, common verbs, and I'm going to bring other verbs sometime. Okay. Ayan na bye. Ayan William Majak.